mun so yo, cocoa for mun so yo, munti, and a yeka say Ato Forson. Ada nyina 2024 abaya campaign Ato Forson catch the Ghana for say His Excellency Nana Dan Kokofo Addo ne don Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ban no ewia kokofo na osan kotu omoka 6,000 to 7,000 cedis per every bag of cocoa mbeto tin some of the to dua enne na tin some of the beto abonten so enne
cocoa farmers are wa Ghana ha abani yo to the wanyi wona ndi ni ye kra abani yo to the we sisimu bebre abani wa for musika bebre the dame peda mekan yi de cocoa no bono cocoa bag biala abani boton wa bochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis one bag there's a 98 million cedis Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there. Or that ban oche the mister mu abasa, such a mabasa, no wafakul, no the cocoa farm and woman a bien. Then when my bunny ought to be on the west in Italy, on the waffle bien, no one of cocoa farm and the the way. It's in cocoa about the Biala or the water and Koida ban on my cocoa farmer, 65 million Ghana cedis. 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one cocoa farmer or 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana cedis. Into 65 and one more 30 million. A better you win there. A bunny doya in there. Usika MPP, a ban wafa, oh yeah, bag Biala what 20 year, Usika 35 million. We're going to present a Gufado, Union Baumia, and the MPP, a ban, what we're going to 100. Ghana cedis per ton to 51,660 per ton. This further translates to an amount of 3,228 Ghana cedis and 75 pesos per bag of 64 kilogram gross weight of cocoa. Government further announces that this new price takes effect from Thursday, 7th August 2025. This takes effect on Thursday, 7th August 2025. This is coming on the back of a strong cedi and declining inflation, reflecting government's commitment to improving the livelihood of our cocoa farmer. Since the second quarter of 2025, government has taken steps to maintain the cedi equivalent of $3,000 per ton and $16 cedis to $1, translating to 49,600 Ghana cedis per ton. This meant
Mon sorry na mon kasa na mo yenipa. Mon sorry na mon kasa na mo so mo yenipa. Menim ne ntia mo tra oma NDC abanwe e din ada mo position abapa wasa ne da mo. Hwe 2024 as na MPP be free mo 2025 January 7th no. Let us go back 3,100 Ghana cedis. Ato Forson the catch them say 3,100 Ghana cedis no. Abayini system. Now san komamo 6,000 to 7,000. And not month more no bra. Obayini I will say then or the 123 cedis na account. Instead of 6,000 so more 3,223 cedis. One say the margin di agro. A cover the free 475 cedis. It could do 3,100 and some coins could go so. And if I don't see or no, about very set your baby here. No, share in some hunu. Now, on no crowd, never hear. Omono moto no bomb on seminal. Like Omoto no bomb on seminal. Omono muheme hipa. Or not to force in the crowd, no near him. Omono moto no bomb on seminal. Sound of no bomb on seminal. Omono muheme here and cassa. Oh, born them for them. As a Papa Ben Pound or Kayan Tiao bones them. I don't blame him. I blame cocoa farmers Omuji Omudi. Say, Omobe increase Eddie Ako 6,000 cedis. Sound call for no. And I blame you. I don't blame the cocoa farmers. I don't blame Ato Forson no say. I blame the cocoa farmers. I'm gonna blame you because they are the people who believe in these lies. They are the people who believed in these lies. Eyomu, na me blame me omo because say mo ma adwini ye adwuma I'm not sure say can sang of way e betimi ayeden e dey ma adwini di agro. But look at what is happening today. Instead of 6,000 cedis, NDC Phobi and so actually say Ato Forson here, you know, Omani and John. There is this guy or Facebook or NDC ni, which on the page, won't say President Mahama ordinary or not two way. Now I say, what happened to 6,000 cedis now promise on my brand opposition now? Because this is not what you told them. You told them that you are going to give them 6,000 cedis. And so they are asking, say, what happened to the 6,000 cedis? Now promise you, because that's what you told them. So the NDC people are asking, almost say, this man around, it's not, and just separate, no. Okay, I was saying, talk can do. Because I promise you, 6,000 Ghana cedis. 6,000 chopapo Ghana cedis. Now, to see, you are giving them 123 cedis instead of 2,900 to add to the 3,100 to make it 6,000 Ghana cedis. No, you are giving them. It's funny. Like it's very funny. It is very funny. Now, share. I don't say this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. And me no be in common. Or you go me catch finance boss. I say to go ni mo na e dey 123 cities na can say Martin na me kwa meeting bufu efu na so aden. E no say there be campaign no yele campaign no omo buy ho. E be catch dey say NDC ba omo 6,000 first start. Now the free word obe 7,000. In terms no mu end 2028 ayan to aba no. No to go no 10,000 as some papa ni some catch dey no. Enti no o convince na busu afo nyina am go to aba my den e dey my NDC. Let us see ano on ko be so akofia den akobo ne busafo na mane say ni na den aba eti me kan na mse okay sisi an ebe no say okay ono no nko be ko village next week because ye bi wo ba akoye say ne de on timi nko be because okono mu busa na on di obeka e na nka twa ne say onya nto boase na onko techi omu ntiro mo say aban na da omo enu nti omu sha asena omu nye demonstration omu nye de fan den enti aban no enye sa ade a there is no way omo scan back chese papa no ni buafu enye easy enye onyo nko ahun meni kokofo no bebre didi nkomo a omo nyina na kire se nka se pa na no mu ni man koma na kan say ye ka kire wo me ka kire wo say don't believe these people because say kwatekwa so be front man no ide no wetie ni din ena NDC ni enim no. And that's on power John Dramani Mahama. You know, president of Ghana had 2013 to 2017, 7 January. No, your president of Ghana ha. But I say, oh, free so no. Na go price here saying. Oh, free so some committee bibiamawa. Oh, free so no. Eto go 475 cedis. Obi dia baka could do 3,100. Also on momo unji nindi. Ba the ono entimi ambo a ono na uji nindi ye. Ye ka kire wo me ka kire wo afi no logina phone no so din untimi nkasa ogina so din untimi nkasa and you see me say this is not just the first one no. And this is not going to be the last one. This is just the beginning. Enti won mani nda ho na kokko for mon sorry na mon kasa because Sadio Mudia Mudi, a ya papa,